Hey, how you guys doing? Nosy Joe here. Out at Ed's place for a practice today. It's supposed to be 97 degrees. So it should be a good time. Haven't been doing a lot of race videos recently because I just haven't been doing that well. The weather conditions have been bad, just a one lap type of thing. So need to get some good practice in today. Got my Husqvarna TE300 back there, warming up. Gonna do some practice here at Ed's. He's got a new creek section, so we'll try to get some of that. Hope you guys enjoy it.
I got my chicken.
I just sunk in that mud.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's soft there. There's different ways you can get in and out of here, and none of them are ideal. See that spot to the right up to the legs there? I kind of cleared that out. Good luck going that way.
That's a little scary.
A little momentum going on that. Yeah. All right, let's go this way. I got kind of wet. haven't ridden past this. I've walked down through there before, but I haven't ridden it yet.
I wasn't sure how deep my bike was there for a second. I don't think we got that deep, but it's hard to tell. You look like you were pretty deep for there for a second.
Yeah.
I want to go. Remember valves.
Yeah.
So we can try and go a little farther if you want. If we go far enough, it'll be just like this. It'll be wide open, fast, but you've got to go quite a ways to get there. And I've walked some of it, but I haven't walked all of it.
Boy, I about bet it, you know, I don't know, a little bit back. All of a sudden there was a rock in the middle of the water.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize like how tall that rock was, but I about endoed over the damn thing.
Yeah? Ah, well.
I didn't, I bounced off of it.
Yeah, you do have to go slow at first and see kind of what's there. Yeah.
I got my gloves all wet. But this is fun, yeah, something different.
Yeah.
On a day like today with the temperatures.
It's a nice cool down.
You got a spider right here on your helmet.
Right there?
Yeah, I think it's gone.
As long as I'm not gonna sink in too deep, I don't care how far we go. I'm not having any problem with it or anything.
Well, it's just a matter of if we have problems.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My air box is right here.
My valves are right here.
Theoretically, you know, this could go pretty deep,
Yeah.
but
If Gary was here, he'd be trying to make it up those. He'd try to jump the log and.
but you know, even that one deep spot, I had it wide open. It was just kind of churning. You know,
Yeah, I saw you. I was like, oh man.
that sand eats power.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, the bigger the motor you have on this, the better you're off you are.
Well, I got the biggest motor here, guys.
Oh yeah, that's a 250. I forgot.
And it has valves.
As he keeps reminding us.
This is called a 125.
Well, it's up to you. We can go that way for a while if you want, or we can head back.
Let's go a little bit further, unless you just think it gets real deep or something. I'm having fun.
Let's try it. Let me go a little bit first and make sure that, you know, I don't hit anything too terrible.
Okay. Oh. I found the bottom. Said I found the bottom.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just wet. Do what?
You just had water come out your tailpipe.
Did I? I fell on the right side, which is better. think my exhaust looked funny at all? I mean, I put it in the water. I just... Yeah, it's got water in it.
I think it'd be worse just revving it like you were than just riding the thing.
Really?
Yeah. We're gonna be coming back that way, Eric, if you just want to turn
So
from there.
that's kind of a trick because you think, oh, I'll go close to the shore, but when you do that, that's where all the rocks are.
Well, you got to get up on the shore. I mean, you got to get up right next to it. That's
Yeah.
what I did.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, until you get close to this, that looked deep over there. So then I kind of came in the middle like you did. I'm gonna run through here just a couple times, and I'm gonna head back. What's that?
Are your feet wet at all?
A little bit, not terrible.
Mine are terrible, but I fell in.
So you're not hot.
No, I'm good.
Well, this was the whole point, is make it so you weren't hot.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, brakes work real good on this stuff.
Buried my front tire. Yeah, there's a lot more flat rocks down through there than what I expected. That kind of kick you sideways.
Yeah, that's what happened to me. I was kind of going towards the shore, and then I started hitting those rocks, and I wasn't carrying enough speed. I thought I just babied over there to the shore, but you're better off staying out there a little bit. No, I just got into these rocks again accidentally. I was trying to stay away from them, but I keep gravitating towards them.
They're like a big gravitational force.
Yeah. It's not wanting to turn over now. I guess you're saying blast it out?
Yeah, you take the spark plug out. If you turn the thing upside down, you get all the water out of it.
Okay. Well, we made it back. Ended up having to take the bike and take the plug out and turn it upside down and kick it over and get all the water out of the engine before I could ride again. So that kind of took all my energy, and but anyway, it was a good time. Thanks to Ed for having us out, and a good experience on how to get your two-stroke unwaterlogged, but maybe better luck next time. Later.